Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change secret mode password on Samsung internet browser. So, if you set up a password for your secret mode on your internet browser, and now you want to turn off or remove the secret mode password, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or turn off secret mode password on Samsung internet browser, all you need to do is go ahead and open the internet browser, unlock the secret mode with your fingerprint if you're on secret mode, or if you're on normal mode, just go ahead and launch the internet browser. Once you launch the internet browser, click on the menu icon at the bottom right, click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on personal browsing data. Then click on secret mode settings. Under secret mode settings, locate and click on change password. Then here you want to type in your secret mode password, that is the current secret mode password, and click on OK. Now you'll be prompted to set a new secret mode password. So go ahead and set in your new secret mode password. Also, don't forget to allow biometrics to unlock secret mode, so that I can use a biometric to unlock the secret mode if you forgot your password. Then click on continue. Then go ahead and confirm the secret mode password. Then click on OK, and you're good to go. So that is basically how to change secret mode password in Samsung internet browser. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.